Hi everyone, namaste. It's Leeann, Carey from Leeann, Carey Yoga, and Jules in corpse pose on the floor. What we're going to do, actually, we have two trainings coming up all throughout the year. One of them is called the Anatomy, and Jules actually wrote the Anatomy program, and also another one called One-on-One Stretch, and that's a program that I wrote. And both of these programs are in the Yaapana Yoga Therapy 300-hour training program. So what I just wanted to show you was we're focusing on latissimus dorsi today, which is lats. And what happens when the arms extend over the head, when tight lats occur, is the upper back starts to arch and the lower back starts to arch more than necessary. So what happens is we start using secondary muscles in order to perform this action. So go ahead and bring the arms back down. So all we're going to do, and all other kinds of things start to get a little wacky. So you can think about that in like Urdhva or handstand or any of those kind of poses, even where you're one, one, that require you to bring your arms up overhead. So when the lats are tight. So what we're going to do is we're going to just show a stretch that is a wonderful opportunity for your students to receive a really nice letting go and stretch of the lats. And this is also in the one-on-one. By the way, the lats are the big back muscles, and they connect to the lower back, and they also connect into the arm bones. So what we're going to do is, she's going to stretch her arms up overhead. And the moment I actually, now it's not who she is, right? But the moment I actually see that her upper back starts to get a little funky and her lower back starts to arch, I would come in closer and have her hold onto my upper legs. And then I would take her arms and I would rotate them so that there's an external rotation. Now, that's not who she is. She's capable of doing more, so I'm just going to actually have her hold all the way down to my ankles. And then I'm walking back, for that, walking back. And then I would just sort of watch her breath, and I'm also looking for deviations, like one side higher than the other. I can notice that the left side is a little bit higher than the other, so the left side is stretching a little bit differently. So what I'm going to do is just actually stretch back a little bit more and give her a little bit more. Now I can see that both ribs are a little bit more equal. So that we get a really equal stretch. And then the legs just stay firm. Again, if somebody's lower back starts to pop, they can also bend the knees and bring the feet flat down on the floor and keep the legs maybe hip-width distance apart. I can put a block between there. And this, for someone who had a difficult time bringing their arms overhead, actually may get them a little bit more distance, a little bit more reach with their arms coming all the way overhead. Great. And that's it. So hope to see you at one of the trainings. Thanks. Namaste.